Hi guys. Today is a beautiful day in the Carolinas to install a rear spoiler for my Model Y over here. So Elliot from Best EV Mod reached out to me when he saw one of my accessory video and reached out to me, offered me to send this rear spoiler. So there are four choices. You got the matte black, the glossy black, the matte carbon fiber, and the glossy carbon fiber. So I chose, this is the matte black, so it will match with the handle over here. So we're gonna unbox this one, and then I'm gonna show you how to install it in this Model Y. All right. All right. I got my handy dandy box cutter. So I'm gonna open this and see how big it is inside. I'm not sure. It should not be that big. It's just a box. I think this is it right here. Yeah, that's it. Put that away. So this is Best EV Mod. All right. And I'm gonna put the link down below. So if you're interested to order one, so it would be there for you. It's not heavy at all because it's plastic. Oh, here's the installation instruction. Clean the surface of the car to ensure that the surface is clean, dry, and oil free. Tear off the adhesive promoter package. Use the wipe towel contained in the package to wipe the car's surface. Use hair dryer to warm up the tape and trunk surface, and tear off the spoiler double-sided tape at both edges of the AO5K spoiler. Attach the two edges of the spoiler on the surface of the car, tear off the rest of the double-sided tape, and firmly attach the spoiler on the car. Please keep the vehicle remain undisturbed. Do not wash, wax, or dry for 12 hours. I just washed this one, so it's ready to go. So let's see. Now, my car has ceramic coating, so I will have to wipe isopropyl alcohol on that so that it will make sure that it will adhere. So here it is. This is it. Here you go. That's to the side. Let's open this up. All right, guys, you be careful when you remove this from the package because it will potentially scratch the surface of your spoiler. So here's the spoiler. There's the tape over here. Okay. And then, see how it looks. Okay. So pretty much it's just on the top part right there as it sits on top right there. So we'll just have to make sure this one is wiped clean with isopropyl alcohol also, so it will adhere to that surface. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find the center. Look at that. So it's measuring that. That's 8 inches exactly. Okay, so let's move. That's 8.5, so just 1/4. Maybe just a tad bit like that. That's about 7.5. This is perfect. 7 and 3/4. Okay, and this one is 7 3/4. Okay, that's perfect. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna put masking tape so I know the corner. So I'm gonna put masking tape so I know that's the end of the spoiler on that side, and then the other side would be right here. So I'm putting some isopropyl alcohol, 70%, because this is all I have. Okay, so the car was under the sun after I wash it, so I don't have to warm. Still is warm. Okay, that should be good. All right, folks, I happen to have this one, so I'm just gonna use this to warm up the surface after I wipe it with isopropyl alcohol. Now, if you don't have this heat gun, the instruction says you can just use a regular hair dryer. So that should do it. But I happen to have this, so you just have to heat it a little bit. So it will help with the adherence of that tape. So it says here that remove the both ends. There we go. Just gonna do the surface there. Okay. That's that. Okay. And then I'll do the other side. Whoop. Whoopsie. Well, I think it's just better to remove all of these all together. Make sure. So I can feel that it snugs at each corner. Now just press it firmly. Like so. Okay. So definitely this one really helped because it gives you that point of reference as you put it in there. All right, that's it. So I'm gonna just keep this car inside for at least 12 hours, not drive it. And then, so what do you think? Comment down below, and then I will hit you up with the best EV mod. Again, thank you for watching, guys. See you for the next video.